running first. So where it says none, click none at the top. Yeah, right above slot one, and then click yeah, click that first one. Yes. And now you're recording your um so okay, so right now that's actually mono, where it's only on your left channel. You can change that if you click on where it was said none before and click into, and then try it. Oh, actually, no, that didn't work. Try it in one again. All right. So now we have to make sure that the track is armed. Here, let me show you. So this is gonna arm and unarm the track. Basically, just means the track is ready for recording.
Yep.
Right now, there's some background noise on your vocal. Do you hear that? Like the
Yeah.
buzzing. Usually that's not ideal for recording. You can actually get rid of that with like a gate. Whoops, that's gross speed. Gate would be um, limiter right there. And you can choose a preset up here and noise gate. So right now, talk into the mic.
Meh.
So what it's doing is just cutting out a little bit of that audio. Keep talking like more and you'll see that effect. So see how it cuts out like the background noise, but once the volume goes over a certain level, it allows the volume to go through. So this is a great tool if you ever need to cut out background noise. Anyway, let's if you don't mind, just like you don't even have to rap well, but let's just record into this track here and just like sing whatever. I just want to show you the basics of getting your audio into this is how you're going to record. Like I said, make sure that it's armed here. And then as soon as you click this, it will give you a countdown and it will just start to go. So whenever you're ready, just click it and you can record
All right. So this is just for education purposes.
for sure. And then I always do audio into the playlist as an audio clip. Edison is, yeah.
Oh shoot, I wasn't ready. I'm just trying to chill. I ain't looking for no pill. I'm like, why? Is there a way I can like, so I don't like hear myself?
That's usually something that do you have an audio interface? Or is your mic just connected straight into the computer?
What's like, I'm singing it and then it's like repeating it back.
Let me do something quick. All right, talking to the mic. There you go. So now you don't hear yourself, right?
Yeah. So what did you do?
I just mute. So this is how you mute channels.
Mm.
Yeah. All right, cool. So go ahead, try it again.
I'm just trying to chill. I ain't looking for no pills. I don't wanna get down.
Going to track 2 here, and
I'm just trying to chill. I ain't looking for no pills. I don't wanna get down. I'm just cruising downtown.
so that's pretty good, right? It is a little like out of time.
Yeah.
So what I would do is just like go into it here and you can cut it. This slice tool, I think, is like C on the keyboard, but you can also use the slice tool that we have here. And you can cut this track and then delete that. And then I would move it back like here, see if that sounds better.
I'm just trying to chill. I ain't looking for no pills. I don't.
So that's better already, right?
Yeah.
So it's just timing. I mean, timing is like everything in music.
Yeah.